Today we want to show you just how easy it is to get started using Avalara to manage sales tax compliance within FinancialForce. With this powerful combination, you can manage tax calculation on sales transactions, exemption certificates, and the filing and remittance of sales tax returns. So let's take a look. I'll start by processing an invoice. I'll select Sales Invoices and open one I already started for downloaded software. Right on the invoice, I see that the tax total is calculated automatically by Avalara behind the scenes. Now let's talk about the taxability of products and services. The way AvaTax manages ever-changing tax rules is through an association made right inside FinancialForce, whereby a product or service you sell is associated to an Avalara tax code. When you set up AvaTax, you'll map your products and services to Avalara tax codes. You may remember that when I set up my invoice, downloaded software was the product I sold. Downloaded software and many other goods and services, for example freight, clothing, and food, are taxable in some states and non-taxable in others. So product and service taxability is an incredibly important part of the tax compliance process. And one of the key benefits of Avalara's cloud-based solution is that taxability rules are continually updated within AvaTax. So there's nothing for you to maintain. You're always going to be up to date. Now let's say that my customer claims to be tax exempt. Avalara provides a full exemption management solution called Avalara Cert Capture, where you can collect, store, and manage exemption certificates. While we're on the customer card, I want to tell you about address validation, one of the key features of AvaTax. Avalara validates and converts addresses within FinancialForce to a standardized U.S. Postal Service address. A validated address ensures accurate calculation of sales tax based on the specific address, as opposed to a broad and often inaccurate zip code calculation. And there's no doubt that an accurate address improves product shipment deliverability. You can also validate addresses one at a time or in a batch process. For many of our customers, perhaps what they love most about Avalara is that we can file and remit their taxes on their behalf. Our fully managed returns service reduces exposure to late filing and other common penalties. And if a state sends a notice about a question on a return, Avalara will manage that process as well. The bottom line is you probably have better things to do than managing the intricacies of sales tax compliance. Instead, leave it to Avalara, where tax compliance is done right.